lesson on how to get started with the pool house project for the TDJ2O class. So I'm loading AutoCAD up from scratch. I'm going to maximize this window to my screen. Now, when we're in this model space view, after just starting up AutoCAD, not downloading anything from the hub, you don't want to start on drawing 1. I want you to close this, so X that out. This is going to bring you to the Start tab. Here, I want you to scroll down to Start Drawing and hit the Templates. Scroll down and then select No Template Imperial. This is very important to do first. May save you some trouble later. So click No Template Imperial. This is going to load up Drawing 2. This is a file that you can get started with. So the first thing you have to do after that, the second thing I should say, is in the command line type in units. Hit enter and change decimal to architecture. Now this is the only thing you need to do in this menu, is make that one change. So don't change anything else, but this is a super important second step. If you don't do this step, you're basically snowballing the entire project. So make sure you do this. So we're going to hit OK. And to start drawing, we're going to draw some mock lines first. So we're going to put ortho line. This is what we're used to doing to keeping our lines perfectly vertically, perfectly horizontal. So if I select line, and I want to make a horizontal line that is 5 inches long, I just typed 5, and I hit enter. Okay, right click, left click, enter. Now the reason I don't put a suffix on the end is because in architectural mode, AutoCAD is defaulting to inches. So this is drawn 5 inches long. It has the quotation suffix on the end. That is the appropriate units for inches. Right click, left click, enter. And now I'm going to draw another line. This one is going to be, we'll say 3 feet. So this time I'm going to type 3, but I'm going to put an extension or a suffix on the end. I'm going to be putting the quotation mark. This is the units for feet, right? We're mostly going to be drawing in feet for this project. So if I hit enter, right click, left click, enter to escape, let's measure this line. So this line is now 3 feet long, right? So this is what I want. Let's try another one. Let's try a combination of feet and inches. So I'm going to select line. I'm going to this time draw a line that's 2 feet long, and I want to add inches on the end of this. I have to put a dash. So I'm going to put, let's say, 6 inches. I don't need to put a suffix on the end of the 6 because again it defaults to inches. So this is 2 feet, 6 inches. Hit enter, right click, left click, enter, and let's measure this. 2 feet, 6 inches. Perfect. One last time. Okay, so let's draw a vertical line this time. Let's do the same again. Let's go 2 feet dash 6 inches, but I want to add a fractional dimension to the end of this. I want to make this a touch longer. Let's say 1/4 of an inch. So I'm going to type another dash. I'm going to type 1/4, enter. And let's check this. Perfect. 2 feet, 6 inches, and 1/4 inch. Okay, so our next lesson, I'll show you how to actually start drawing your floor plan.